What are your travel nursing goals? Is it you want to travel to new places and experience new things? Or do you just want additional experience within your specialty? No matter what your goals are, we can help you make the most of your travel nursing experience. In this video, we'll provide tips and advice on how to achieve your travel nursing goals. We'll also discuss the benefits of travel nursing and how to maximize your time spent on the road. So whether you're just starting out or you've been traveling for years, this video is for you. Let's get started. So these are some of the top travel nursing goals that everyone said as I surveyed on my Instagram. If you're not already over there, make sure you head over there at instagram.com/nursechung. So number one, travel to new places. I mean, that's pretty much an obvious, right? That's why we travel. Obtaining leading hospital experience. There's so many hospitals out there that have leading technologies, and it's great to have the ability to have access to those things. Develop a new skill or expertise. Absolutely. Any place you go, you're going to develop that skill. Number 4, save money for savings or retirements. That's huge, right? The whole point of traveling is so that we make competitive wages and we're able to save that money for later or take that money and go on additional trips. Focus on personal development. Absolutely. I love personal development. Education is always going to be everywhere you go as a travel nurse. So yes, personal development for sure. Escaping nursing burnout. I don't know about you all, but we have all experienced nursing burnout in the last several years. And while traveling doesn't take away from the stress of being on a unit, it does help a little bit with nursing burnout. Live a more healthy lifestyle. I think we could all pretty much benefit from that, right? Competitive wages, like I said before, being able to make those competitive wages so that we can save money, take time off when we want to, and travel where we want to. And then lastly, networking and marketing yourself. That is huge within the travel nursing industry. So let's break each one of these down. So traveling to new places. One travel nursing goal that many nurses have when they travel is obviously going to new places. After all, one of the best things about travel nursing is that it allows you to travel the country or even the world if you choose to while you're working as a nurse. If you want to travel to new places, there's a few things that you need to do to make the most of your experience. First, research your travel nursing assignment ahead of time. This way you can plan your travel around your work schedule. Number 2, take advantage of the free time during your travel nursing assignment. If you have a few days off, use that time to explore your new surroundings. And then lastly, don't forget to document your travel nursing adventures. Be sure to have plenty of pictures on hand and write down all of your memories from your travel nursing journey. This way you can look back on those travels for years to come. Obtaining leading hospital experience. This is huge within the travel nursing industry. If you're early on in your career, travel nursing is a great way to get your foot in the door at some of the best hospitals within the country. In addition, travel nursing can help you gain experience in a variety of hospital settings. So for example, you may want to start as a travel nurse in a small rural hospital. But maybe after a few assignments, you find yourself working in a large teaching hospital in an urban area, and that's really what you prefer. This variety of experiences can be invaluable as you move forward into your career. So if you're looking to gain experience at leading hospitals, then travel nursing might be the right option for you. So let's talk about the development of new skills and expertise. If you're looking to be a travel nurse solely to focus on your personal development, then you might want to consider developing that new skill or expertise. Travel nursing gives you the ability to do that. So for example, let's say you're a registered nurse who wants to become a certified midwife. You could use travel nursing assignments to further your prior experience into labor delivery across units throughout the country. Or maybe you're a critical care nurse who wants to gain more experience in transportation medicine. You could use travel nursing to gain exposure to air and ground transportation units at different hospitals. No matter what your skill or expertise it is that you're looking for, travel nursing gives you the ability to do that. So let's talk about another huge reason people get into travel nursing. It's because of saving money. That could either be just to save money for retirement or for additional travel. This is a huge financial goal found throughout the industry. First, travel nursing can help you save money on housing. When you travel for work, your agency will often provide either housing or a housing stipend that will help you save money on your rent or mortgage payments when you duplicate expenses. Second, travel nursing can help you save money on your travel expenses. If you travel for work, your agency will often reimburse you for your travel expenses. However, I would always follow up with them to make sure that that is an option under your contract. This will help you save money on airfare, rental cars, as well as hotels. And finally, travel nursing can help you save money on your taxes. Who loves taxes, right? When you travel for work, you're able to deduct your travel expenses from your taxes. And this can help you save money come tax time. Many travel nurses also go on assignments and take that money as an opportunity to save for retirement. There are a few retirement options available for travel nurses. One option is to open a travel nursing specific retirement account. This type of account allows you to save money pre-tax, which will help you save on taxes come retirement time. Another option is to open a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. These types of accounts allow you to save money for retirement on a tax-deferred or tax-free basis. No matter what option you choose, travel nursing is a great way to save money for retirement. So let's take a closer look at my personal favorite, and that is professional development. If you're looking at travel nursing as a way to focus on your professional development, then you might want to consider taking advantage of personal development opportunities that are available to you. One way you can do this is to take advantage of the free continuing education opportunities available through most travel nursing agencies or their affiliates. Many travel nursing agencies offer free CE courses to their nurses. This can help you maintain your nursing license as well as keep you up to date with the latest developments within your field. Most nurses will tell you that professional certification is one of the most important things that you need to have in your career. Professional certification is a way for nurses to demonstrate their knowledge as well as their expertise in a particular field of nursing, and it also makes you a little bit more competitive when potential employers are looking at your resume. There are many different types of professional development certification exams available to nurses. I personally have my Critical Care Registered Nurse CCRN certification. And there's also many travel nursing agencies that will actually reimburse you for the cost of obtaining your professional development certification. This can help you achieve your goal of becoming certified in that particular field. So let's talk about something that has been plaguing the healthcare industry for the last 2 years, and that is nursing burnout. Escaping nursing burnout has been a topic that has been widely discussed over the last several decades, but is more recently being looked at because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Nursing burnout is a common problem among nurses. It's characterized by feelings of fatigue, cynicism, as well as detachment from one's work. Travel nursing can be a great way to escape that. While you're not completely escaping the bedside, you also have a lot of freedoms that don't necessarily come with staff nursing. When you travel for work, you have the opportunity to change your working environment on a regular basis. This can help you avoid being bogged down by the day-to-day of a particular job. In addition, travel nursing can help you expand your professional network. When you travel for work, you're going to meet new nurses as well as other facilities throughout the country. This can help you find a support system of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges of nursing in general. And travel nursing also has the ability it allows you to take time off in between assignments. This can help you avoid burnout by giving you the opportunity to take a break from the demands of nursing. Whether you choose to take a couple weeks off or choose to take several months off, you have the ability to do that. You get to choose how long you want to take off and where specifically you want to take that time off. If you're looking to escape nursing burnout like a lot of us have been, then travel nursing is probably the right career for you. So let's talk about one of my personal favorites, and that is living a much healthier life. One of the goals that travel nurses have is usually they want to live a healthier life that is free of stress and actually have opportunities to exercise and eat better. Travel nursing can help you achieve these goals in a few different ways. Number one, travel nursing can help you reduce stress levels. When you travel for work, you have the ability to leave your job at the hospital and not take your work home with you. This can help you reduce the amount of stress that you have in your life. In addition, travel nursing can help you get more exercise. Many travel nurses take advantage of the opportunity to travel to new places by experiencing new hiking trails. Maybe they start riding their bikes everywhere or even begin running. I know I did, and it was fantastic. And finally, travel nursing can help you eat better. When you travel for work, you have the opportunity to try new foods all throughout the country. This can help you expand your palate and eat healthier than you would if you were sitting at home and ordering takeout every night. So let's talk about the number one secret that's happening within the travel nursing industry. All right. Well, it's not really a secret, but it's competitive wages. That's usually the number one reason why people get into travel nursing. The competitive wages for travel nursing is very lucrative in the industry, and it's no secret that travel nurses get paid for their experience, as well as the temporary accommodation that they provide to hospitals. Travel nursing can help you achieve this goal in a variety of different ways. First, travel nursing agencies often offer higher wages than traditional hospitals. This is because they need to attract nurses to travel to these particular assignments in order to cover the hospital needs that they have there. Second, travel nursing agencies often offer travel stipends. These stipends can help you cover costs of travel as well as living expenses while you're on assignment. And then lastly, travel nursing agencies often offer sign-on bonuses, completion bonuses, or referral bonuses to their travel nurses. These bonuses can help you earn a more competitive wage in addition to what you're already making while you're on assignment. One of the last reasons that you may decide to become a travel nurse is networking and marketing yourself. This is huge with travel nursing agencies, recruiters, and potential employers, as this is going to open many doors within the industry. Networking yourself as a travel nurse is a great way to get ahead in your career. This can help you build relationships with other travel nurses, agencies, and can also lead to job opportunities if you decide to settle down. One of the best ways to network in the travel nursing industry is to join a travel nursing organization. These organizations offer benefits including job postings, network opportunities, as well as educational resources. And another great way to network is to attend travel nursing conferences. They're out there. These conferences provide a great opportunity to meet other travel nurses and learn about new travel nursing opportunities and network again with those travel nursing agencies. I hope that this video is helpful in understanding what your travel nursing goals are and how to achieve them. I completely understand that this is not an all-inclusive list, but I wanted to give you a few examples of what your goals might be and how to get you where you want to be. As always, if you have any additional questions, make sure that you leave them down below. I love answering your questions. And of course, head over to www.nursesean.com where there's additional travel nursing resources there available to you. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.